Okay. What's a lesson you wish life had taught you sooner?
Never trust human secara alami ataupun there must be some form of block ataupun wall. Aku ni bangsa kalau percaya orang gullible punya, naif lah, percaya all the way. Dah kena baru tahu.
What motivates you when everything feels impossible?
My support system. My support system will always, be my family, my close knit of friend, my colleague at work. No, you actually can do this. You are okay. You are this. You are that. So having a support system ataupun awesome support system matters. So that is my answer to that.
That's nice. That's nice. If you can change the world, how would you change it?
I will ban all weapons and ammunition like guns and nuclear and everything. So when we have no weapons or whatever, the worst case scenario, if we will go to war or fight, we will just use hands.
What would you say to a 20 years old Ryzall no?
Hey Ryzall, don't be a art practitioner, singer, musician in Singapore. Instead, work hard, study hard, get some grant or whatsoever. Hope the government head pick you to become the next MP.
If you become the next head MP, what would you do to change Singapore?
I will make our arts and local scene vibrant, and I will emphasize on more cultural things that is Singapore. More history lesson, more throwback, more musical. So everything about Singapore, no matter how small we are so colorful, diversified, and lots of stories.
Kau pernah nangis tak? Bila tengah diam-diam, tengah senyap kau alone?
I always cry when I pray.
Kau boleh bilang kenapa? Kau boleh share apa yang kau nangis?
Like I cried on these three things. God, whatever you are giving me, Allah, this is too much. Then after complaining, then I minta maaf. Allah, kau dah kasih aku banyak. I'm not worthy. Third, Allah, continue to guide me, continue to look after me. As much as I sometimes, go different telajak path or whatsoever, please be above me, be in my head. Jangan kasih aku like don't leave me in the dark whatsoever lah. So macam mana aku bingit ke, marah ke, sort ke, always when I close my eyes, please have you in my dark vision whatsoever. So most of the time I cried during prayers, taubat, ask for kemaafan and such, and sometimes when people died lah.
Last question. What's a good piece of advice for people who are struggling with validation?
Under promise yourself. Don't oversell your thoughts. No matter how nice you think your voice or your song is, be low key and just say, aku belum lagi. And when that thing eventually become good or whatsoever, it is a bonus. So the keyword here is under promise your thoughts and don't oversell your thinking.